Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Dr. Daisy, MD. Crash! Bang! Boom! Oh no! Goofy tripped on his way into the clubhouse.
Are you all right, Goofy?
Asked Mickey.
I think so,
said Goofy. He touched his head, his arm, and his nose to make sure.
There's a boo-boo on my nose,
Goofy cried.
Gosh, I got a boo-boo.
Just then, Daisy walked into the clubhouse. Did someone say boo-boo? She asked. I know just how to make Goofy feel better. It looks like Goofy's boo-boo just needs to cool down a bit, she said.
Great idea, Daisy,
said Mickey.
Let's blow some air onto Goofy's boo-boo.
Can you help Daisy and Mickey blow some air? It worked. Goofy's boo-boo was all better.
Wahoo! You did it! Thanks, Daisy,
Goofy said. Did you have any idea that Daisy was such a good pretend doctor? I want to be the best pretend doctor in the whole wide world, said Daisy. And someday I want to get my pretend doctor sticker. Mickey and Goofy wanted to help Daisy get her pretend doctor sticker. Mickey turned the clubhouse into an office, and Goofy found 4 pretend patients. Look! Pluto, Minnie, Donald, and even a mystery patient came to help Daisy get her pretend doctor sticker. Will you help Daisy too? Say, Mousecatools, Mousecatools, Mousecatools. To get the Mousecatools, Daisy will need to help her patients. You did it! Here's Toodles and here are your Mousecatools. A giraffe, a piggy bank, a magnifying glass, and the mystery Mousecatool, a surprise tool that will help us later. How will these Mousecatools help Dr. Daisy? It's time to find out. Everybody say, first patient. Hello, Pluto, said Dr. Daisy. What's the matter? Pluto held up his paw, and Dr. Daisy saw the pretend thorn that was stuck in it. Which one of the Mousecatools do you think can help Dr. Daisy pull out the pretend thorn? Can the giraffe help? No, that's silly. What about the piggy bank? No, that can't help either. And the magnifying glass can help Daisy see the thorn, but not pull it out. It's time to use the mystery Mousecatool. What do you think it is? Toy tweezers.
You betcha! We've got ears. Say cheers,
said Mickey. Using the toy tweezers, Dr. Daisy gently removed the pretend thorn from Pluto's paw. Pluto barked his thanks.
Hot dog,
said Mickey.
We're ready to call the next patient.
Everybody say, second patient. Hi there, Minnie, said Dr. Daisy. What's the matter? Minnie pointed to her tummy and said, I'm pretending to have a tummy ache. I see, said Dr. Daisy. Well, there's only one way to help a tummy ache, and that's with a green apple, of course.
Oh, I know where we can get green apples,
said Mickey.
From an apple tree.
We're going to need a Mousecatool to reach them, said Daisy. Which Mousecatool can help them reach the apples? The giraffe, right.
We've got ears. Say cheers,
said Mickey. At the apple tree, the giraffe didn't pick any apples to give to Minnie. Instead, it started to eat all the apples on the tree. Just before the giraffe could get the last apple, Mickey reached up and grabbed it. Then he tossed the green apple to Minnie. Minnie felt better after just one bite. Thank you, Dr. Daisy and Mickey. Back in the pretend doctor's office, it was time for the next patient. Everybody say, third patient.
Well, it's about time,
said Donald as he marched into Dr. Daisy's office, holding out his arms. They're asleep, he said. Said Dr. Daisy. I know how to fix sleeping arms with jumping beans. If you hold those beans in your hands, they'll shake your arms awake in no time. There's just one problem. We don't have any jumping beans.
I know where we can get some,
said Mickey.
but we'll need coins.
Which Muscatool can give Mickey and Daisy coins? The Piggy Bank. You got it right,
We've got ears, say cheers.
said Mickey. Where can Mickey and Daisy go to buy jumping beans? Everybody say Moo Mart. Do you see the jar of jumping beans that Clarabelle has on the shelf? Point to it when you find it. The jumping beans cost 6 coins. Can you count to 6 so that Daisy and Mickey can buy the jumping beans and get back to Donald? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it! The jumping beans worked. Donald thanked Dr. Daisy. It was time for the last patient, the mystery patient. Everybody say, mystery patient. Do you know who the mystery patient is? It's Pete. How can I help you, Pete? Said Dr. Daisy. Pete pointed to his spots.
I've got these spotty spots everywhere,
He said.
You'll never figure out what's wrong with me.
He laughed. Gee, said Dr. Daisy, I need to get a close look at those spots. Which Muscatool can help Dr. Daisy? The magnifying glass. That's right,
Hey, we've used all our Muscatools,
said Mickey.
Let's all say super cheers.
Dr. Daisy saw a chicken inside each spot. Pete was pretending to have chicken pox. The only way to get rid of pretend chicken pox is to shake the spots off with the chicken dance, said Dr. Daisy. Can you do the chicken dance with Dr. Daisy and Mickey to help them get rid of Pete's pretend chicken pox?
Dr. Daisy, you are a genius,
said Pete. Dr. Daisy laughed. Who? Me? She said. I couldn't have done it without everyone's help. Was all your help enough to get Dr. Daisy her pretend doctor sticker? It was. Thank you, everybody, said Dr. Daisy. She was so proud. She put on her pretend doctor sticker right away.
Hot dog,
Shouted Mickey.
it's time to do the Musca dance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.